Spectra. Pick your parallel number 83, 2-box. This is the last 2-boxer of the current case. Last one. What do I need to do here? You know what I need to do? I need to label the next Spectra for a fresh case. 84 is a fresh case. It's Spectra, obviously it's going to run back. Thank you, Ronnie. 84 will be fresh. Oh, I wrote fresh case on it. Huh. Okay. Or maybe Hammer did. Nice job, Hammer. And I could use to put one more in, to be honest with you. Let's put in number 86. All right, 86 of Spectra's going in. Sweet. Oh, wow. Wow, nothing's off in the next ones. That's interesting. Doc. Doc's in there. Thank you, Docky. One left. Last one. One left after Doc. And we're rolling. And I'll give you a link to the new one. We're full. And we're full. Thank you, Troy. Wait a minute. What? Who am I missing? Oh, Baki took 2. My bad. Okay. All right, let's run our serial now. Okay. Pick your parallel 83. We're doing a serial. 10 spots for the remaining unbought ones. Here we go. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So we got 7 dice. We got 7 randoms. Dr. GML, Doc in the 1. Troy in the 2. Ronnie B in the 3. Austin 4 and 5. Ronnie 6. Donovan 7. Baki 8 and 9 left serial. Austin in the 0. Okay, I'll bring that out when we hit. Okay, good luck, good luck. Let's guess last auto, everybody. For 25. Last autograph for 25. And take your parallels in the next Spectra. It's going to run back to a fresh case. Okay, boys. Good luck. Let's see how we do. Hamma did a lot of this case, so I'm not even sure what's hanging out. Devontae, silver base. All right, we have a meta base, Mojo to 25. Parker Washington. Brilliance piece. That's going to Shawnee. Best in the world. And then we have a Pandora look RPA Quentin Johnston, 3-color patch. We're going to 30 on that. The 30 spot is the pink. Right? Or no, it's purple. My bad. Purple. There it is. Griff cards. See, purple, neon purple. Griff gets that one. Griff is getting this piece to 30. Nice hit, Griffey. Ray to 50. Spectracula. Zay Money Flowers. Zay isn't looking so bad after what Lambo just did. To 50. That goes to the 50 base spot. It's crazy. Frickin' Rice. These guys. Rising Rookies. That's going to Smooth Brain Max. Double H. And obviously, the spot that always hits. I called it the best spot. The Radiant RPA spot for Austin. Radiant. Aiden O'Connell. All right, we have a piece. We're about to have a piece for the cereals, I believe. John Elway base. Devin Witherspoon to 75. That goes to the cereal. That goes to the cereal, I'm right. Yep, 75 hyper. Actually, I don't know why they call it a hyper. Oh, whatever. Oh, no, yeah. So to the 0. Brilliance. JJ. Who's got Monumental? Shawnee. Shawnee's on the board with a base Quentin Johnston patch. It's early. Okay, this is signatures. Cereal. To the 3. Ronnie B. Ronnie B in the 3. You have a giant. Rodney Hampton vet auto. Base rookie Taji Spears. Celestial base, best in the world. ED 2000, Epic Legends. Doom. And we have a Supernova RPA. Lava. And that goes to Austin. Austin, Kendre Miller on the Lava. Jimmy Cook, silver. The base silver spot. 50 base. Will. Brilliance again. Another brilliance piece. Reek. And a rookie auto to the serial. Another serial piece. To the 7. Donovan Cole. Clayton Tune rookie auto. Disco front to the 7. Ooh, that's going to be nice looking. This is going to be a good pack. This is going to be a really good pack, guys. Zach Evans to the 60. That's going to go to the Cereals. To the 4. Austin. Austin gets the base card. So now there's 3 cards already for the Cereals. Oh, that's good. To 50. Oh, wow. The 50 base spot's cleaning up here. C.J. Stroud Infrared. Mosaic Tech. Wow. Yeah. Should be Baki's card. Hi, Montana. Nice piece. Nice hit, Baki. This is disgusting. Smooth Brain Max with the hyper look. Beautiful nameplate type patch on the right over there. AR-15 to 15. AR-15 to 15. And you want to talk about a disgusting RPA. If you want to talk about a disgusting rookie patch autograph, and it is going to Austin in the Radiant spot. Look at that, Austin. Mojo Tech on the front, but it's numbered to 10 with the nameplate. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Yes, Marco. Yeah, it's base interstellar. Wait, no. But it doesn't, it can't. It is confusing because I'm going on the numbering. Austin, I'm going on the numbering. And the number to 50 base, even though it says die cut, it's number to 50. Like, I know. To me, the number card should go to the number parallels, but I know it's tough. That's a sick hit, though, Austin. We have a true RPA on the bottom. Desmond Ritter base. Celestial, 99 base. Clifford. All right, that's going to be really low. That should be number to 10 on the Max Impact. Max Impact for Sean to 10. Diggs. That's pretty. Even though it's Parker Washington, that's a pretty piece. That's going to go to the 10. That's going to go to Griffo. Eric. Meta 10 RPA. Parker Washington. Good, you fit 2 of the, what would you buy, 4 with me just now? You bought 4 RPA spots, you fit 2 of the 4? Hi, Danger. Really, Danger? Hi, Maddie. Shit. Baki, I know. I'm a little confused myself, but let's clear this up. So this will either go to the 0, which is Austin, or it'll go to Baki. I got to talk with the shipping department and see how they're doing it. Brenton Strange. Oh, that's a nice base. That's a nice base to 8. Aaron Rodgers to 8. Nice card. Ooh. Hell of a break for Smooth Brain with the rising rookie spot. Tillman to 15. Nice looking piece. And we're going to finish with Tanner McKee to the rookie auto spot to the 7. Donovan Cole gets 2 cards. Congrats. Really good for the buy-in. It was like 4 cards that hit it. Let's recap. Great break. Zay. Aaron Rodgers to 8. Stroud to 50. You got it, Donovan. Sorry, Troy. You know we'll get you on the next one. We always do. Quentin Johnston. Double H. To 10, Diggs. To 15, Cedric Tillman. To 15, AR-15. Hi, D-Cards. Hey, man. Kendre. O'Connell. Parker Washington. Quentin Johnston. Zay Flowers to 10. Beautiful. Great break.